Now this fascinating place right in front of you while visiting Hanuman Gadi is actually a temple. It is called Raj Dwar Mandir. It's a temple and it has got some very fantastic architecture, but it is opened only once a year, I think twice a year, for people to have darshan. So this is a place we might not be able to go. But there is one route leading to this temple. I'll just try to explore what it is. Okay, so if Hanuman Gadi is over here, and then as you walk along this lane, you'll find all these shops selling souvenirs and religious articles. And then this road goes to two very interesting places in this locality. Okay, this temple has got a residential complex over here. So what we can see from outside is actually a place for people to stay. There is a pathway coming from down, and there is this staircase which climbs up to this place. And you can see some recent renovations and restorations done. They must be done by the people themselves. So this is a kind of palace or a temple and a palace complex. Let us see anything else we are able to get from it. So this is the pathway leading to the temple. And there's open space, and there this is. What a magnificent sight. Okay, the board reads Prachin Raj Dwar Mandir, Ayodhya. Okay. And what I had gone from online sources is that this temple is opened only once a year. But apparently it is open, and we shall have a look inside. Okay, this place also has got a second entrance from this side. Yes, this is the entrance, and I think this is the main entrance. Yeah, this is the main entrance. And actually there were no markings anywhere which showed this entrance, which we came last time. We were not able to see it. So yes, this is the main entrance, this is the second entrance. And what a magnificent view. We'll just take a walk around this temple. The temple architecture is really good. I wonder what would be the history of this place and when would this have been made. So there is a door over here. I hope it doesn't. Okay, it is locked. So that is the lane which is right in front of you, from which we walked inside. And this is the entrance to Hanuman Gadi and those shops where we were standing and taking pictures. There are some windows, and then there are those beautiful archways. This must be a really old door. So that's it. Let us go inside and see what the priest has to say about this place and its history. And let's see whether we'll be able to record it or not. Unbelievably spectacular. So we went inside and we spoken to the pujari, and what he says is that this is the Raj Dwar. So at some point of time this would have been the entry to the palace complex, and little ahead in the distance is Kanak Bhavan and Dashrath Bhavan, Dashrath Mahal, and then in the far distance in the front is the Ram Janmabhoomi and the Hanuman Ghadi. So what the story goes is that Hanuman Ghadi and this Raj Mandir, Raj Dwar Mandir were the entrance to this whole palace complex for the Kings of Ayodhya.